We're finally landing in Bangkok. Well, finally arrived into one of my favorite cities in the world, Bangkok. It's always very hard to decide where to stay here in Bangkok. So this time I chose the Sheraton Grande Sukhumvit. Let's go. Here we are, just arrived at the Sheraton here in Bangkok, the Sheraton Grande Sukhumvit. And you can tell right away this is definitely a 5-star luxury hotel. This is the main lobby, check-in area. Time to go to the room after we checked in. Just arriving in the room, 2517 is my room number. And it's a very typical Sheraton look. But I think it's nice. Gotta give you all the details. I'm not too keen on the decor on Sheraton hotels, but the desk here is a really very nice addition to this hotel. Here you have a nice bathrobe. You have, of course, your flip-flops, which are very important, safe. Standard is everything, of course. Here we are in the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. A very comfy looking bathtub right there. And actually I like the decor of the bathroom very, very much. Let's see if it's got a rainfall shower. You know that if you've been watching my videos, you know that I love rainfall showers, and this does not have a rainfall shower. Good morning. When I checked in last night, I had no idea what a great view I'm gonna have. Anyway, it's time for breakfast. Right across here is the Grande Center Point. It's a huge shopping complex. Good morning. Where's breakfast? Over there, thank you. The breakfast here at the Sheraton looks great so far. Looking for the fruit. I see it there in the back. The fruit here, of course, as in every other hotel in Bangkok, is unbelievable. Beautiful egg station. Hello. It's okay that I film? Okay. Yeah? Thank you. Everything looks delicious. And what I like about this place, though, is that it's also got a great a la carte menu. Look at my fruit plate. Give me my morning energy and my vitamins, and of course my coffee. Coffee looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Let's see how this yolk explodes when I dig my knife into it. Oh yeah, look at that. This looks delicious. So this is with salmon. Really good. It's you can feel the salmon and the dill and the egg. Delicious. Very, very delicious. There's a whirlpool. I like the pool a lot. It's secluded, it's private, it's not busy, which is, I think, what you really want when you go to a resort or hotel. You don't want to be hustled and bustled all over. So this is a really, really nice, quiet, quaint pool area here. Very enjoyable. Somewhat of a traditional style, but very, very cool. And you can eat here during lunch. All right, let's go check out the gym. Very nice equipment. So this is the sauna right there? Yes, sir. Steam bath and beautiful whirlpool. Wow. It's really fantastic looking. So this is the main entrance of the hotel. I'm going to show you what's around here. We're going to go to the Grand Central Point right now. And right across the street is the Westin Hotel, which is also a very nice hotel. In fact, I have reviewed that hotel before. I've stayed there before. So that's right across the street. And then of course you have the train here as well. Let me show you. And this is where the Grande Central Point is. So here we are in the shopping center. This is a very typical shopping center, like every other shopping center that you see, but it's got very nice stores, and downstairs it's got restaurants and food alley and actually a supermarket as well. It's a gourmet supermarket, which is really, really nice. If you are in absolute need of a Starbucks, you have a Starbucks right across as well. Although, let me tell you, the coffee in the hotel was just delicious. All right, we're going to my favorite Pad Thai Mae Am restaurant to have the best Pad Thai in Bangkok. I really love the place. I'll show you all about it. Actually, in one of my videos, I featured it before, but I'm going to show it to you again because it's such a great place. All right, here we are at Mae Am Pad Thai. This is the place, and excited to come here again. The boss is cooking today. She is the owner. Last time her son cooked. She's preparing the Pad Thai right now. Make it famous. So I'm here with my friend Fabio. He's a chef, so he's going to be deciding on what he thinks about this Pad Thai.
Looking forward to trying the food here. I heard it's amazing. I am familiar with Thai food because I cook it, but I'm in the mecca of Thai food, so I want to be blown away.
I think it's going to be blown away. Yeah, absolutely. All right, Fabio, I want to see what you think. How is it?
Excellent. Oh, very good. Excellent.
Excellent? Fabulous?
What about you? Let's see.
If it's as good as the first time that I came here,
Exactly.
I'll tell you right now. Absolutely. Absolutely, yeah. And we're having for dessert mango sticky rice. So you take the sauce, you put it over this, right? You put here like this, okay. Yeah. And then this, okay. Yeah. And then you eat it with a mango. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos.